guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wig. Guys, I wanted to show you guys what that outfit looked like in black, guys. So this is more like it looks kind of like it's leather, but it's actually not leather, guys. So if you guys want to try this outfit, you also can make it in black. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like in black, guys. And this is the one from the pattern, the red and black. So I want to show you guys what it looked like in all black. And I'm just wearing these nice little heels that tie up, guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching. And as always, guys, God bless. You guys have an awesome day. Happy sewing. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here's a couple still pictures of the all black, guys. Remember, you can make these in any color. Be the life of the party and create your own body connector wrap suit with splits on the sides, guys. So just wanted to give you guys a couple still shots of what this outfit looked like in black. And here's me just throwing on a black hat. Jeepers Creepers hat. Yes, guys. So if you guys like this in black, why don't you guys try it out? And you guys be the life of the party. Happy sewing, guys. Bye-bye.